We're on the road again. We just left Tailem Bend.
You'll poop all over your jacket.
The only person I know that needs a step to get to things in the caravan.
I just need to sing properly.
Life living with Anya on the road cooking. Every time. Let me know and I'll slow down for you to pass.
I have a crack at you right now.
Good on you, brother.
Thank you, brother. You're a gentleman.
Yeah, not many people say that to me.
You have safe travels, mate. Thanks again for that.
No probs, bro. Yeah, so we're 50 k's out of Renmark, so that's not too bad. We travelled about 500 k's today, so this isn't too bad. A little rest stop, and we're booked in to the Caravan Park tomorrow. But have a look at this. Look at the just the filth everywhere. We started picking it up, but we just don't have enough room to collect it all. You know, I know other people show this all the time, but you know, come on, Australia, do better. Like, it's just, look at this, the edge of the farmer's land. There's so much for fruit fly. People won't throw them in the bins because they're too lazy. They'll throw them out here. Yeah, on the old Triton, we're only getting around 300 kilometres towing. With the Ford, we're getting around 550 to a tank. So, got to be happy with that.
That's pretty good.
Well, it's a lot. 300 k's, we were just constantly stopping all the time.
It's ridiculous.
It was pathetic. We were scared not to fill up. 100 kilometres out of town, we'd fill up again just in case there was no other stops. Look at this. How'd you like to do this, Anya? Righto, check this out for a spot. How nice is this?
So free.
Hey, kick back under here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta be happy with that. But I don't think they are hard for a normal person, babe.
Yeah, you want to push?
Oh, jeez, what's wrong with these?
I know, right?
Oh no, you got a wet cookie. Alfie, who said you could get cookie wet? Who said you're allowed to do that? That's right, I just wanted proof so I didn't get in trouble.
Oh, go save him! How relaxing. It's a beautiful pool area and they keep everything very neat and tidy. Alright, you ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
All good points, but if this is poison,
Very nice camp kitchen. Everything is spotless. The adult lounge. It's a kid-free zone. How nice is that?
It's a game room, Nanny.
Alfie's just found the game room. Well, that's very nice, isn't it? Gibbo and I say there always should be an adult room. For those that don't have kids, they just want a bit of peace and quiet. All right, games and TV room. Everywhere you go, there's TVs. Another TV. Tennis table.
It's turned on.
What are the? Oh, look. We've got a few game machines.
Yeah, can I show you which game machine I want?
Yeah, which one are you on?
This one.
Minecraft.
Yeah.
Glamping tents. But how cool is this? An outdoor bath. That is pretty cool.
Would you get arrested for being nude?
Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah. This is Alfie's bed setup. I was just going to show everyone how we make it. So we've got all these blankets, and then we switcheroo one of the mattresses that go at the end, and at the bottom here we have a piece of alu panel to support that. We've got my stool with pillows on it. So I suppose you're wondering where all these blankets are going to go. I put them in the shower. I just wipe it out from the showers we had the night before, and then it's just start all over again. Pile up the blankets, and then when we're ready for a shower, we make Alfie's bed. We don't normally stay at these types of caravan parks, but when you've got little ones, it just changes it up a little bit. We had a great time, thanks Renmark. On our travels, we come across this playground with an amazing slippery dip. The black hole. Sounds so scary. He's a gutsy little bugger.
Are you sure? Because it's really, really steep. Puppy's claustrophobic.
And Nanny's not going down.
When we get down and we stop, I think we'll have to crawl, but
What if we climb back down?
no.
We have been negotiating this for 15 minutes.
Hand on me very tight first. Do that first. No, you're gonna fall if you keep walking. We're about to go.
Go!
Your heart is pumping. Okay, we're going?
Yeah,
Go!
Jesus!
Yeah, good job, mate.
I wish I had zoomed out. You should have seen the whole thing go.